Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the intercooler on Mercedes W211 E-Class. The intercooler is located on the bottom of the car, just next to the front bumper. To get access to the intercooler, first we need to remove the under tray. There's two air hoses connected to the intercooler that we need to remove. They're held by clamps, these metal clamps. We need to pull them out and pull out the hoses. In order to remove the intercooler, we need to press this plastic on both sides and pull the intercooler forward. First we start by removing the two air hoses. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the intercooler. We're going to press those plastic tabs and then move the intercooler forward. We do the same on the other side. And now that the intercooler is free, we can take it out. And now we can put on the new intercooler. We put it in the exact same way. We're going to first put it in its place, then the plastic tabs have to click in their place, and then we Okay, that's the intercooler in. Now we're going to put the air hoses back on, and then we're done. Thank you for watching.